आदाब, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। मैं हूं सुल्तान भारती और आप देख रहे हैं सेकुलर भारत न्यूज चैनल। मणिपुर, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि 6 महीने के लिए वहां पर प्रेसिडेंट रूल और आगे बढ़ा दिया गया है। अब ये अवधि फरवरी 2026 को समाप्त होगी। आज एक लंबे टाइम के बाद में कुकी जो कम्युनिटी की एक समर्थक शाखा, छात्र शाखा, कुकीज कुकीज स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दिल्ली और एनसीआर के समर्थक बड़ी तादाद में दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर पर नजर आए। No separation! No separation! No justice! No justice! I'm Sultan Bharti and you are looking my channel Secular Bharat News. Manipur, you remember? And you know better that after 6 months of presidential rule, it is extended up to February 2026. KSO, the student wing of Cookies community in Delhi and NCR, they appeared at the Jantar Mantar with the thousands of supporters. I asked some question to the president of KSO as well as personals of the organization, such as why the peace and law and order maintenance is still away from the solution, why the government is not succeed peace treaty agreement on the common minimum program between two major communities in the Valley. शांति बहाल होने के पीछे आखिर मेन रुकावट क्या रही, क्यों नहीं हो रही शांति?
देखो, we were living together peacefully. शांति से हम रहते थे। तो मेटे मेजोरिटेरियन जो है उनका जेलसी, ग्रीड और जलन, all these things, what the Kukizou people have become, they planned it to kill all of us. It was a plan by Endurin and his militia and other people.
What do you think is there the bar in between of majority and minority also?
Majority is Meitei. The Kukizou are minorities.
Yes.
And then they started this violence. Many people say it is ethnic fight. It's not ethnic fight. The Kukizou didn't even have time to pick up anything from their belongings. They just ran out from house. It was never a two-group fight. It was the Meitei who started this pre-planned, premeditated pogrom over the Kukizou. It's thanks to our Indian army, our central forces, who protect the Kukizou. Anybody in the valley who are alive today are because of our Indian army. All of us, we ran to the army camp for protection of our life.
Have you the problems of security forces also? Any problem from the security?
No, we have no problem. We thank and salute them for saving our life, for keeping us 7 days in their army camp, feeding us, taking care of us, till we can come out from the valley.
2 years, 5 months passed.
Yeah, 29 months.
Yes. And even the peace is not possible in the valley. What may be the problem? Let me know only one thing. From very beginning, you are raising the same demand, same voice, single one solution. Separate administration is the only solution. Why government is not coming on this? What plea is coming from there?
I am sure they have to do this one day or the other, because you cannot ignore genocide over the particular ethnic group. You cannot ignore killing of innocent people. 200
हल करने की कोशिश में बफर जोन का निर्माण कितना मददगार है।
See, buffer zone was created when the violence was very, very high. बफर जोन की है, तो बफर जोन ने हमको बचाया है क्योंकि इधर मेइतेई एंड इधर कुकी, तो बफर जोन क्रॉस करना हमारा आर्मी ने मना किया है. बिकॉज ऑफ द बफर जोन, the Meitei people could not continue killing the Kukis who have left the valley and take shelter in the hills. So buffer zone is a must. Buffer zone should continue because if you start free movement again, you will only help the Meitei to come into the Kuki area to continue the violence. If you anybody want शांति, जो लोग शांति चाहिए मणिपुर के अंदर, ये बफर जोन को इज्जत करना चाहिए क्योंकि बिना बफर जोन वो लोग अपना ऑटोमेटिक वेपन, अपना पावर, अपना जो यूज करके कुकीज और माइनॉरिटी हिल्स एरिया को कैप्चर कर सकता है. तो बफर जोन इज वेरी वेरी मच
आपने देखा मित्रों, मैडम का पहले भी आपने बाइट देख लिया, बिल्कुल बेबाक, बिल्कुल सच्चाई की बात है, किसी का फेवर नहीं, लेकिन दर्द को शब्द देना तो इनको भी आता है और वो जायज भी है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
और एक बार वाइन अप करने से पहले जो कुकीजों ने डिमांड किया है वो पावर के लिए डिमांड नहीं है,
शांति के लिए,
वो नो सिर्फ शांति नहीं, वो अपना जान बचाने के लिए, राइट टू लाइफ के लिए डिमांड है. ये बहुत फंडामेंटल राइट्स है हमारा डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री के अंदर. सो वी आर नॉट आस्किंग एनीथिंग समथिंग बियॉन्ड व्हाट वी डोंट डिजर्व.
Government of India, expedite! Government of India, expedite! Government of India, expedite! We want capital separation. We want! We want! To keep our people want! We want! We want! To keep our people want! We want! We want! To keep our people want! We are not returning to Delhi Update! We are not returning to Imphal Valley! We are not returning to We are not returning to Imphal Valley! We are never returning to We want particular unity with legislature. Yeah. We want! We want! We want! Cookies our people want! Cookies our people want!
Hitlaya couple of lows, Dunia here, hit him. Dismal attendance turn out ill here. Come on, Cassan laying in here. Chisang Sanga Anikitum Toa, Nikitum Bonga, Anikipol here. I la Saturday near a low tail back anajo, Anikinam low here. It's a la separate administration here, Imutoka Silva, Idel del Jingdo here. Hitia here, Ipul Panole, Itiduta, KSO Delhi. Kisan itas ang lawa hile. Political movement o tiding ahi. Order, main song kisim top tan. Ihon in song ikisim top lawa hile. Ipi main he government itai tawa. Main he itai tawa, center itai tawa ipi ibodo dio. Abang kanina saye. Iti protest ni holding lahe. Ho ki social pote. SO social pote. MLA social body disease. Hakpung ni sum. Tau kon piding non lo. Agu agala. Main hay assembly main hay takum nga. Tau kon ding tiya gua nakiko zingo. Nasa achaluham kati hai. FIR ne bol beno mule ne bol bel belang. Ne givai po. Naho MLA mi so may. Patet ana ki po thai lo wa hile mi pi ipki ka ki po dio na ho ne lo ong ei lam kai dio ano he nang hon su na zau le mo su en ke ze si zau le na ho thum ke ze si su emle ne ki tho wa mi pi na zau le mo na mi pi ho dâu thêm mồi lo cho lo hen cái tiền mình giả món ăn là gì vậy xin lâu pi pi
थोड़ा सा पीछे जाए सर, यहाँ पर नहीं था।
अरे सरकार है ये पीछे है, वो कर ही नहीं रही
आ रहा है पेमेंट, ओके।
My voice is very is becoming
मुझे
hoarse.
पता है सर, आप 15 मिनट तो लगातार बोले। The first question is, President ji, first question is, for 6 months up to February 2026, President rule is extended. Is there any solution for this?
Now President's rule is not a solution.
Could you see the Manipur situation after
Yeah.
the PM visit?
Yeah. Prime Minister visit, it is worth nothing at all. It is nothing at all. He never talked about violence at all. He talks many things, gyan and all. It's not what we expected.
And what would you like to about buffer zone? Is it profitable to
Buffer
keep
zone.
pace in the valley, peace and harmony?
Yeah, this has to be intact. It's non-negotiable. Nobody should negotiate about buffer zone. It has to stay intact. That itself is the beginning of our separation. We'll separate forever from the state of Manipur, and we remain a good neighbor. That has to be set by the buffer zone.
The Cookie team is many times accused of having funding from the other parts of the world, and they want to destabilize India. This has been the accusation.
Show me the proof. Show me the proof. These are the accusations. These things, the media people, you don't have to even put out in the media also because you don't have proof. You don't have evidence. If you don't have any evidence and don't have proof, you media people also should not have put out in the media. Totally different thing at all. Separation is our subject.
Sir, you are telling that separation is the justice, and Modi ji said, "बटोगे तो कटोगे."
What does that line mean?
Separate administration. Separation is the solution, according to you.
Yeah,
You say that separation is the justice.
yeah. Of course.
And the separation, about the separation, Modi ji said, बटोगे, separate हो जाओगे तो कटोगे.
There's nothing other than separation. See, if there is no separation, there's no such thing as coexistence. Coexistence means mutual understanding. If we don't have separation, no such coexistence or mutual understanding will be there. If we are not having a separation, it means suppression. Okay, you understand my point, right?
Yeah.
Without separation, it means suppression from the majoritarian Meitei community. There is no such thing as coexistence. See, they say, come back to Manipur. Let's break buffer zone. Let's stay together. Let's continue our coexistence. Let's continue our mutual understanding. But these are forgery. That's why we put here on the banner forced justice. FORGED. It's a forgery. So, like I said, if not separation, it's suppression. There's no such thing as coexistence or mutual understanding.
29th
Yes,
month.
see, the moment we give up our separation movement and submit to them,
Understand.
they will suppress them.
Yes.
No coexistence, no mutual understanding.
29th month passed. Even your demand is still the same. What do you say? Government will come one day?
It's very sad part. India has to pay special attention to this. This is what I keep repeating. We are such a community who are inhabiting this line of what India has been vouching for since 90s. Act East policy, which started with Look East policy, now Act East policy. If political solution is not brought for these Kuki people, they are the communities who are on the both sides of the border. Myanmar, India. We are the communities who inhabit these areas. If we are not made with political justice, this Act East policy won't function. Be it look or be it act or be it any phrase you put, it won't function. You have to bring political justice to this community first, so that your flagship policy or program of Act East policy will be successful.
Only one question. Opposite community, who is maximum in the number, opposite community, I say, what is their standpoint about your demand?
Of course, they are the majoritarian people. They are tooth and nail against our separation demand.
Rule a umaka din e ho zong inok nok ni tu isay kay ka povin hi zong le tilum chandan ho hi kay zong kalung athai pon nang zong nalung athai pon tu ni hin hichilai mo na hi ipibola hung ihi ham ti hi ama sa penin hechin sa nin hat la hat ki hawa chule nui ti ho zong anabot ko hi te tin ka hin te mo be chule tunin third maya pat titusimo tihin ko anavel that kino hite